you. That was our little love song to Wrexham, which will be the next city of culture. Yes. I mean, if this isn't culture, then I don't know. Wow. Thank you all for being here and for sharing this moment with us. Yeah, it's really special, isn't it?